Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me Irfan Nur Sahid. Okay guys, in this opportunity let me tell you an experience that I never forget. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, okay? Well, 3 years ago, precisely I was 11th grade high school. Of all the whole of our grade member held a study tour. For the study tour, we planned to go to Java Island. And in the end, we have decided to go to Jogja, Bandung and Jakarta for 5 days. We are a total of 100 people and there were 5 guiding teachers. The first day before we left for Jogja, we gathered at school first. Then we left for Sultan Syarif Qasim II Airport, precisely in Riau. It is initially departure at 6 a.m. but delayed to 10 a.m. So it feels so exhausting. The holiday time is cut off. But how else is this all for our safety? Finally, at 12 o'clock, we have arrived at the Jogja and were divided into 2 buses. Our main destination was in the pine forest. When we got there, we were excited with a view of the hike, cool forest, and lots of photo spots. We arrived there at 5 p.m. Then we got to eat. After finishing eating, we go straight to Yogyakarta Square. It feels like the spoiled cheap snack, lots of entertainment that accompany us, and immediately we bought mini gift. It was late at night, we went straight to the hotel. It didn't feel tired because it all part of after seeing the night of Jogja city. The second day after we woke up and had breakfast, we immediately went to the destination of Pindul Cave. But there, I did not dare to go into cave because I was traumatized last year. I fell in the water. I was with friend and accompanying teacher who did not do go cave. We enjoyed the culinary delights there. After everything was finished, we immediately went to Borobudur temple. It was too late, but still able to enjoy the beauty of Borobudur. But after we were above, we ran running down because it was about to close. After that, we immediately went to Bandung and headed for the hotel. The third day after we left the hotel, we went straight to the Tangkuban Perahu. There was really cool even though it was noon. There were also many culinary tours and many other venues by the Bandung Treasury. Because on Friday we prayed there. After that, we immediately moved to the farmhouse. There are only various dairy products, but there is a zoo and there is a park. Now it's time for me gathering with Saib. After that, we immediately moved to Paris Van Java destination. Over there, we just ate and wanted to reach there because the price was expensive. We went straight to the hotel. The fourth day, after we left the hotel, we went straight to Jakarta and it took half a day. After arriving in Jakarta, we went straight to the Cempaka Emas Mall. It was the cheapest wholesale goods center after Tanah Abang. Wanted to look for any needs there. After the afternoon, we went to the hotel and rest. The fifth day was the last day. We went to the Indonesian Bank and the Old City. The place is not far away, so you can walk directly to the place where it's crowded. Many people fly bicycle and they use ondel-ondel until we met our alumni from the University of Indonesia. So after 12 o'clock, we went straight to the Soekarno-Hatta airport to return to Riau. Okay guys, maybe that's all I can tell you about my unforgettable experience. And you know what guys, during my vacation I had vomiting due to food poisoning. And I was cheated by 100 in Jakarta. But the fun things were more I get. Okay, that's all about my story. Thanks for watching this video. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.